All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to show you what exactly is going on with our dialysis tube that we did on Friday. So this is just a video to really show you what's going on. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, here's my iodine. I'm going to go ahead and place 15 drops of iodine into our beaker. So I'm going on the outside of the beaker right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15. Wow, I couldn't have done that any more perfect. Okay, so remember that I'm going to go ahead and wait for about 15 minutes. I'm going to just stir this around. This is a clean glass pipette, so it hasn't touched any glucose or starch or anything like that. So remember what I'm doing is, as demonstrated, iodine will turn blue-black in the presence of starch. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Just so you can kind of see the coloring that's going on here. It's like a yellowy, amber-like color, so it's kind of just clearing up right now. Still got about 10 seconds left. Okay. So that is our timer. Again, that was just the iodine, so we were just looking for the starch there. So next what we're going to do is we're going to test the solution in a beaker for the presence of glucose now. So here is a glucose strip. As you can see, it's pretty yellow. It's not necessarily, it doesn't really have much color to it. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and dip it into our presence for about 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, I'm going to remove it, and I'm actually going to set it aside for about 2 minutes, and then we will look back to it in a second. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and check the inside. So we're going to go ahead and take one of these clamps off without spilling the liquid out. We're going to do two things. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put iodine into the tube, very similar to how we did it on the outside, and we're going to see if we have any coloration going on here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to do the test strip first before I get all iodine in it. We'll have that sit there for a second. Okay, now let's go ahead and see if we have any starch. So already you can see how blue-black that is. If you remember, like, correctly, like, it was like really amber color, yellow. This is like black right now. So again, we tried the outside, and this was the inside. Looking back at our test strips right now, so I promise it's green. It's turning green. I'm going to keep that to the side. I will take a picture of that as well so that you can really see the outside of it, and then we will go from there. So yeah, we definitely, looking at what was detected on the outside and then what was detected on the inside as well. But man, that is dark. So, all right. Thanks, guys.